Hi, this is Karthik. I work as a team lead in the Microsoft department.
Hi Karthik, welcome to Vox Populi. Here is the first question from Mr. Vipin PV, and the question is: you begin your career with FinGen and now in a position which needs high accountability and ownership skills. What are the measures you take to keep yourself accountable, and how you encourage your teammates to take ownership and keep them also accountable?
So whenever I take a new project, I go with the mindset that this is not only a simple project for us, but this is going to affect many people's lives. This is going to impact on their lives on a daily basis. So they are going to use this application in order to make their lives easier. So if we have that kind of mindset, we can have more accountability and we can take more ownership of those tasks. And I try to educate the same to my team members also, so that they also take up this responsibility and ownership of the tasks. So it is not a small part of the code which they are doing, but they are part of a product which many people are using it, and it is impacting their lives on daily basis. So the first and foremost thing is the mindset. And I also try to get the requirements right from the client, so that 50% of the work is done at that moment itself. So once we get the requirements right, we'll be splitting the requirements into smaller goals which we can achieve on a weekly basis or a monthly basis. So I split those goals into smaller tasks, and I delegate those tasks to the team members. Once I delegate those tasks to the team members, I will give them the authority to work on their way to achieve those tasks. So what I'm doing here is I'm making them also accountable, and I'm giving them the opportunity to do those tasks in their way, so that they'll also learn more and they take more ownership and responsibility of those tasks. And I give them regular feedbacks, even if it is a constructive feedback or if it is an appreciation. I give it at that moment. I don't wait for a time where I pile up all these things and give it to them together. So that's what I do to keep them encouraging and keep them get going. And same way I get my feedback from my project manager, and I also check if I'm on the right track. So whenever I check this tasks on a weekly basis and see where I stand. So where as a team we stand. So are we progressing well, or are we led behind? So seeing that, I'll be discussing with my project manager to see what can be done better in the next week to cope up this. So I would like to add another point here. I'm always transparent to my project manager as well as my team members. So I never hide anything in between. So how the project is running, and what is the current situation of the project, and how we are supposed to reach our goals, all these I keep transparent, so that people are aware of what we are doing. And I always keep myself approachable, so that if my team members are into some kind of roadblocks or into trouble, they approach me to get a solution.
Here you have the second question from Rahul Shankar, and the question is: you have been associated with FinGen for a very long time. Can you share the opportunities you have received in FinGen for building your professional career?
So I have been working in FinGen for the past 8 years now, and this was my first company. So as you see, I joined as a junior developer here, and in the time span of around 7 years, I had traveled from a junior developer to a senior developer to a team lead position. So this had happened so early because I had got many opportunities in FinGen. So I definitely think yes, FinGen has been giving me many opportunities, and on the technical side I have been learning a lot of things, and this is just because I have been provided these opportunities. So I started my career working with web forms, then I switched to MVC. I had learned Angular, and now I'm working with .NET Core. So I have got this opportunity of working in different technologies only because FinGen has given me this opportunity. So I would definitely say yes, FinGen is giving employees the opportunity to take up what they want and build a career according to their interest.
Here we have an interesting question from Mr. Shamwil. I know your native language is Tamil, but by now hope you have studied Malayalam in past 6 to 7 years. Can you tell us 5 things you like about Kochi in Malayalam?
My God. സോ ഓക്കെ ഹിയർ വി ഗോ. കൊച്ചി താമസിക്കാൻ നല്ല സ്ഥലമാണ്. ഇവിടെ ഹാങ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ കുറേ സ്ഥലങ്ങളുണ്ട്. മറ്റ് സിറ്റീസ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ പൊല്യൂഷൻ കുറവാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടുത്തെ ട്രാഫിക് കുറവാണ്. ആൻഡ് എനിക്ക് ഇവിടുത്തെ ക്ലൈമറ്റ് ഇഷ്ടമായി. സോ ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ സെറ്റിലായി.